members of the Kababayang Silista will be done during this event. Then celebration of the 26th Foundation Anniversary on October 4, 2025 at 67 coordinates highlighted by Munting Maria Fashion Show featuring Maria Clara Gowns. Then commemoration of October only fashion show. Then the Rizal Martyrdom on December 27, 2025. Other matters, Lady SP will buy the material for the blouse for the new members' uniform after attending the February 2025 assembly in Cebu. The meeting was adjourned at 2:30 p.m. Next meeting, tentative March 2, 2025.
Ano ko lang habang hindi pa, hindi lang. Sino ang pwedeng magpunta sa 67 para i-book yung October 4?
The secretary, that's the job.
May time ka, Lady Rebecca. Weekdays lang sila bukas kasi
I don't have time kasi
Sino ang assistant secretary?
Lady Belen, ay assistant secretary.
Yeah, Lady Belen baga ang ano. So they can do it. I think Sister Belen, Lady Belen, they can do it. Ano naman?
7 days siya. Sino ang available na days? Kasi kung may trabaho.
Lady SP, try yourself because you are
you
mayor.
have a car.
Yeah. No, even you can go by bus.
No.
You can do it.
No, because we have overtime until 8:30.
Sarado na sila.
Ano lang
Yeah.
sila, 7 to 3.
Yeah, we are at work for that. We are not retreat
Pag
yet.
weekdays po.
So
Pag
maybe,
weekend, no close.
lady, she can do it.
Ay, malapit si ate pa niya.
Yeah, she's okay. That's why.
So, ipaayos mo yung registration.
yeah.
Ibigay ko,
Thank
nasa
you.
cellphone. Mamaya ibigay ko yung, kasi kailangan yung register enterprise na number. Kailangan yun para makabili tayo ng parang discount. Kasi yung mura doon, isa kung sa cellphone. Kasi doon parang 300 pesos lang yata.
Paglamay, wag kang
Ay, pwede.
Tawag na lang namin kay Kuya Jerry.
Oo nga. Oo. Sumayos lang lang.
Sabihan ko na lang kay Kuya Jerry.
Sabay-sabay na kami. Oh, text mo na.
Ay, ano member naman tayo dyan. Oo, member naman.
Oo, tapos walang problema ko.
Yes. Tapos pag
Isama mo
nagbayad
na
to, okay guys, let's continue. So, we gonna raffle now yung dalawa muna. Ay, yung isa muna makaka-receive ng school supplies. Kung saan lugar. Pero mag-canvas kayo through barangay captain or kung may kakilala kayo mismo doon sa lugar na siyang mag-initiate, mag-pack para sila ang mag-distribute. Pero kailangan natin ng i-video nila habang nag-distribute para naman may pag-tayo na nakarating. So, unahin natin yung
Wait, let me get your province. What's your province?
Medium school supplies. Kaya karoon ng taon yung matigit nyo. Ilo-ilo ka? Pwede nga matigit.
Kapis.
Kapis. Anong kapis?
Kapis.
French. Yun ang French. Kapis.
Ikaw Pangasinan, di ba?
Pangasinan. Meron lang Pangasinan dyan.
So,
Ako na buwa.
Hindi sa iba naman sa amin. Hindi pangalan ako?
no,
Province na. Sige.
Province of Hamindan.
Hindi kahit meron na. Iba naman sa
City of Rojas.
Ngayon na ngayon.
Province of Hamindan.
Oy, ako nga hindi din. Hindi ka din.
Oh,
Pangasinan daw sa sabi ko.
Sa amin, di
okay,
dalawa kami
let's
na.
review. Let's review.
Yeah.
To be sure, let's review. Review.
Wait. Yeah, review one by one.
Review.
Sandali. I-video ko na yan. Kasi para may proof.
Okay,
Video.
video.
I-video mo na.
Kasi na may
Doon pa at least.
Lapit mo na lang para makita.
Next.
Pangasinan.
Amazing. Pangasinan. Diyan mo na included. Yes.
We are here in the meeting of ladies of
oh ipakita.
We have to
raffle
La Union
all
one.
the active and present member.
Ipakita sa camera.
Misamis Oriental,
Benefit from
Ilog
ladies of
City.
Rizal. So they are reviewing now the raffle.
Kababae.
Join orientation.
Rizal
Copies.
Fair.
Okay.
Happy.
Yes. And 2 more na.
Sinsya na guys.
We have